CBFI Southeast Asia 40-ton edible tube ice plant case. Ice plant built in 2020, designed and built by CBFI. The tube ice machines use bits or piston parallel compressors, which are efficient and energy-saving. They have run for 4 years without failures or capacity loss. The plant consists of 2 tube ice machines producing 20 tons per day of 16 mm and 38 mm ice, with supporting equipment. All parts in contact with the ice are made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. The plant uses manual packaging. Packaged ice bags are temporarily stored in the CBFI ice storage room. CBFI offers a comprehensive global after-sales service system, providing 24/7 online support and localized services. This plant has been running continuously for over 1,400 days, providing efficient ice production. With over 20 years of experience in refrigeration, CBFI has expanded its ice-making equipment to over 170 countries and regions worldwide, providing consulting to implementation of one-stop cooling solutions for all your cooling needs.